Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to PMDC online lecture room, subject statistics, chapter number 2, grade 12, topic mathematical expectation of a random variable. Chapter name random variable and probability distribution. Presenter Zahid. Dear students, in this lecture we will discuss the definition of mathematical expectation or expected value of a random variable and find the mean or expected value of x, that is capital E of x. Dear students, hope you have understood random variable and its presentation methods like probability distribution and probability function. Now we want to study its properties like mean, variance and standard deviation. Definition of mathematical expectation. Mathematical expectation or expected value of a random variable is defined as the mean of a random variable over a large number of trials, or the mean of a random variable is called mathematical expectation. If x is a discrete random variable having the following probability distribution. Since x is a random variable having values are x1, x2, x3 up to xn, and their corresponding probabilities are probability of x1, probability of x2 up to probability of xn, and the sum of all probability is equal to 1. Now multiply column 1 and column 2, we get x1 into probability of x1, x2 into probability of x2 up to xn into probability of xn, and last we add the third column, we get summation I runs from 1 up to n xi into probability of. The expected value of x is denoted by capital E of x, and its formula is given by capital E of x is equal to sum of I runs from 1 up to n xi into probability of xi provided it exists. Example: a random variable x has the following probability distribution. Since x is a random variable having values are 0, 1, 2, 3, and its probabilities are 1 by 7, 3 by 7, 2 by 7 and 1 by 7, and the total is equal to 1 because we add the probabilities 1 by 7 plus 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7 plus 1 by 7, we get 1. Now multiply first column to second column. So 0 multiplied by 1 by 7 we get 0, 1 multiplied by 3 by 7 we get 3 by 7, 2 multiplied by 2 by 7 we get 4 by 7, and 3 multiplied by 1 by 7 we get 3 by 7, and last we add the third column 0 plus 3 by 7 plus 4 by 7 plus 3 by 7, which is equal to 10 by 7. So summation I runs from 0 to 3 xi into probability of xi is equal to 10 by 7. Now find the value of find the value of mean or expected of x. We get 10 by 7, which is equal to 1.43, which is the required expected value of x, or simply mean. Assignment: a discrete random variable can have the values. Since x is a discrete random variable having values are 3, 8, 10, and their corresponding probabilities are 0.2, 0.7, 0.1, and the total probabilities is equal to 1. So dear student, you can find expected of x or simple mean. Dear staff, faculty member and students, you can send your query suggestion if any either via email at pmdc.suggestion@qcit.edu.pk or via WhatsApp at 0312 9833 117. Thanks a lot.